A 15-second local Super Bowl commercial is only $3,000.
I don't know, Bob. We'd have to empty almost all our savings. What if it doesn't work?
It will work. I'm telling you, Lynn, we'll make that money back and then some.
No, Bob, it won't work, so let me do the data analysis for you. You're spending $3,000 on a commercial, which means that you need to cover that cost and then some. In a restaurant, you generally have a 3x markup on your food costs, and looking at your menu here, a burger, fries, and drinks cost about $10. This means that your food cost is roughly $3.30, giving you about $6.70 in margin. Take that $3,000 divided by that $6.70 in margin, that gives you 447 customers that you're going to need during the Super Bowl in order to break even on your commercial. Since this is specific to the Super Bowl is 3 hours long, but let's call it 4 hours because you might have some customers coming in early. This means that you need that 447 customers divided by 4 hours, which is 112 customers per hour. The problem is you have 4 booths that sit 4 people, plus another 10 seats at the bar, giving you a max capacity of 26 seats in your restaurant. To get 112 customers divided by your 26 seats, this means that you need to turn those tables over 4.3 times per hour. Simply put, the max amount of time a party can stay at a table is 14 minutes. This means that you're going to have to greet, you're going to have to seat, you're going to have to take an order, you're going to have to cook the food, and they're going to have to eat all of it and then cash out all within 14 minutes. That's not realistic because you're a made-to-order burger shop, so the best case scenario might be about 30 minutes. So if we need to make $3,000 over 4 hours, this means that we need to make $375 per half hour. Divide that by the 26 seats, we get $14.42, which is how much Bob needs to make per customer. But he's only making $6.70 on the burger, fry, and drink, so the only way that he's going to get to that $14.42 a margin is by selling more beer. So we'll swap the soda for the beer, giving him $8 worth of margin, but that still puts him $6.42 shy of the margin that he needs in order to break even. So in order to break even, he needs to sell an additional 2.4 beers at $4 cost at a 66% profit margin in order to break even. But all of that is going to be impossible for these 4 reasons. First, he needs 100% seating capacity, which is never going to be possible, and it's highly unlikely given that his restaurant's never full. Second, every customer table needs to be turned within less than 30 minutes, and that doesn't seem possible given his operations. Third, every customer is going to have to drink beer, and that's not likely either. And fourth, every customer needs to drink 3.4 beers in 22 minutes in order for all this to work. It's 22 minutes because they have to clean the previous table, seat the new table, take an order, and then bring the drinks. And all of that's just to break even on the commercial cost. So no, Bob, you're not going to make your money back and then some.